Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display total order amount in words in checkout page using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page, and then you see total order amount 311.6. So we are going to display total order amount in words. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see text total in words, so you can add text according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. Now you see total amount and refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see total amount and then you see total in words 311.6, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.